topic of my speech is usages of heroin type for sunflower. We all know drugs are the new emerging trends in this present generation. Drug abuse is the most problematic cause of death in the world today. Heroin is also one of the illegal, highly addictive drugs made from morphine, a narcotic that is commonly used to relieve pain. This drug comes from the opium poppy, a flower that grows in Asia, Mexico, and South America. It usually appears as white or brown powder. It is usually injected, smoked, or inhaled. Heroin provides a rush of good feelings and users feel high and relaxed, followed by drowsiness and nausea. Many people find it extremely difficult to stop using it even after using it for just once or twice. Heroin users constantly crave for their next dose. If heroin addicts suddenly try to stop using it or are unable to get another dose, they often develop withdrawal symptoms like feeling of panic, sleeplessness, bad chills and sweats, muscle pain, stomach cramps, vomiting, and diarrhea. Taking an overdose of heroin can cause a person to stop breathing. The effects of heroin abuse are incredibly destructive, and the number of heroin addicts has increased tremendously over time. It has caused serious social and health problems, even leading to death. In order to overcome this disastrous addiction, various forms of drug abuse preventive programs must be carried out with youths and community leaders standing together as one. To save ourselves from being prematurely dead, it is high time that we understand the seriousness of drug abuse and stay away from it as far as possible. Thank you.